don't usually talk about food trucks, but how could you not when you've had the best brisket sandwich of your life? Right here at Mama's Brisket. It's windy.
Wow, I had my mother change the oven. And she has a fridge right next to her so she can reach all her ingredients on her oven. And we just keep popping them out all day long.
Brisket all day long?
All day long.
That's amazing. What a great business model.
Thank you.
Also, how often do you get to eat a sandwich while leaning up against the Berlin Wall? Not often. I think that gets points.